Hey guys, welcome back to Apex Wealth. Today's we talk about real money, not the fake rich lifestyle stuff, but the system, how it works. Look at this. Most people think credit cards are a dangerous trap. They tell you avoid the debt, stay away entirely, but guess what? They are wrong, dead wrong. Actually, rich people use credit every day to get richer, to buy assets, to travel free. So guys, in this video, I will share 14 key points. Yes, 14 points that change everything. So let us dive right in. Point number 1, credit cards versus debit cards. Let us start with a story. Meets two guys, Alex and John. Alex hates cards. He uses debit, only cash always. Feels very safe, right? Well, no, John uses cards for everything. He buy each month groceries, gas, coffee, but he pays the full balance every single time. 5 years later, both want houses. They need loans. Alex gets rejected by no history. The bank knows nothing about him. But John easy. He gets approved, lowest interest rate, saves thousands yearly. That is power, that is credit. Point number 2, decoding the score. So what is this magic number? It is your financial adult report. It ranges from 300 up to 850. Anything past 750 is great. 800 plus, you are royalty. Banks bill bag to give money. But how do they calculate this? 5 main pillars. Listen closely now. Point number 3, payment history. First pillar is your payment history. 35% of total score, and late payment can destroy you. Seriously guys, tank it, drops fast. Automate your payments, never miss one. Set it up and forget it. Point 4, credit utilization ratio. Second pillar is credit utilization ratio. 30% weight. How much limit do you use? If limit is $10,000, do not spend $9,000. That looks desperate. Keep it under 30% max. 10% is the sweet spot. Ask for limits. Call your bank every 6 months. Ask for more total limit. Lowers your utilization. Instantly boosts score. Point number 5, credit age. Keep accounts open. Age of credit matters a lot. 15% weight. Your oldest card is your anchor, never close it. Even if unused, just buy one pack of gum once a year to keep active. Point number 6, choosing the right card. Not all cards credited equal. So give points, so give cash, so charge fees, annual fees. Guys, avoid them early. Start with cards that cost zero. Look for cashback, flat 2% on every purchase. That is free money right there. If you travel, get travel cards, earn those miles, fly for free. Point number 7, the ultimate traps. Now be careful. The dark side of credit cards is very real. Interest rates are absolute highway robbery. 30 to 40% per year. This is insane. Never ever pay just the minimum due amount. Guys, that is how they trap you in endless debt. Pay the statement balance in full every single month. Treat your card like a debit. Point number 8, advanced score hacks. Want to go even faster now? Here is a pro level secret. Become an authorized user on someone else's good account, like your parents. If they have perfect payment history for 10 years, that whole history copies to you. Your score jumps overnight, guys. Boom. Another major hack, the Experian boosts. Link your phone, link your utilities, get instant points. Point number 9, psychology of spending. Money is deeply emotional. Credit cards make you disconnect from real cash. When you pay cash, you feel the pain. Physically handing over bills hurts your brain, guys, but swiping a card, it feels like nothing. Studies show people spend up to 100% more with cards. Do not fall for this mental trap. Friends, track every single dollar. Log into your app every single Sunday night. Look at the damage. Face the reality fast. If you know you cannot control the arch, freeze your card literally. Put it in water. Freeze it in ice, forcing you to wait before making big buys. What if you already messed up your score? Collection agencies calling you. Do not panic, guys. Never give them access to your bank account. Get everything in writing. Every single deal made. Use the pay for delete strategy with them. Offer them a fraction of what you owe in exchange for clearing your report completely clean. It works like magic. If you stay firm, do not let them bully your financial future. Point number 10, the ultimate credit plan. The ultimate credit plan. Now you have the whole blueprint right here. Let us map out your next 12 months. Month 1 to 3, get your first card. Set up the autopay. Month 4 to 6, ask for limit increases, keep spending very low. Month 7 to 9, become an authorized user. Piggyback on good history. Month 10 to 12, watch your score cross at 50 easily, then secure your assets. Use the leverage wisely. Build your real wealth. Point number 11, the point of reward hacking. Let us talk about free money, my friends. Reward points are cash. If you know how to play the game. Rich people do not pay for family vacations. They use the points earned from businesses expenses. Flights are completely free. 5-star hotels are free just for buying things you already need anyway. But you must be very smart about this. Never spend extra money just to get points. That defeats the purpose. Look for sign up bonuses on new cards. Spend $500, get 100 back. That is 20% return on your money immediately, right there, guys. Transfer points to airlines. Do not use the bank portal for booking. Airline transfers give you double the actual value. It is a secret. The banks hate people knowing this hack, guys. Point number 12, businesses credit secrets. Here is the next level of game. Business credit is completely separate from personal credit. Once your personal score is above 750, open a business card, even for a small side hustle or freelancing. Why does this matter? Businesses card depth does not show on your personal credit report, guys. If you buy inventory for $10,000, your personal score stays perfect and untouched completely. Plus, businesses credit lines are much higher, guys. $50,000 easily instead of 5,000. This is how you scale a real company using OPM, my friends. Other people's money safely. Protect your personal assets while growing your business exponentially year after year. Point number 13, hidden card perks you forget. Most people completely ignore the hidden insurance. The hidden insurance benefits built into their cards. Did you buy a new expensive cell phone? Pay with the right credit card, my friends. It comes with free cell phone protection plans if you drop it or if it gets stolen from you completely. The bank pays for the replacement cost, guys. Also look at purchase protection benefits very closely. Item broken within 90 days are fully covered. Extended warranty is automatic, adds 1 extra year to manufacturer. Warranty is free. Stop buying store warranties. Save your cash, guys. Use the card system to protect your purchases. Point number 14, the 5D credit defense system. Identity thief is rising. You must defend your hard earned credit profile daily. Freeze your credit reports. with all major BS, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Reason costs absolutely nothing. It blocks dark web hackers completely and tracks. No one can open no loans in your name without your permission, and freeze it only when you want a card, and freeze it right back up immediately. Guys, check your reports weekly. Use free government websites. Look for unknown addresses. Look for weird names. Catch the errors fast before they ruin you. Ending, let us recap the whole strategy. Pay on time. Keep utilization low, increase your limits, never close old accounts ever. Guys, do these things and watch your score hit 800 every fast. You will unlock the financial system, buy your dream house or car. If you loved this video today, smash that like button right now. Subscribe to Apex Wealth for more smart money tips. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.